So the International Code of Signals ICS of Annex 5. So the method of transmitting and receiving information using visual signaling of single letter signals comes from the International Maritime Organization system known as the International Code of Signals ICS. So kaning method of transmitting is mao ni siya receive mo information gamit og nga using visual signaling. So single letter, then gikan ni siya sa kuan International Maritime Organization. So mao siya na ilang nilagay ni siya nga International Code of Signals, which is ICS. And then it uses flags. So kaning ICS gigamit yun sila flags, lights, or uban pa mga visual means. So where each single letter signal has a specific meaning understood by ships worldwide. So worldwide siya, no? Then this allows vessels to communicate important message such as warnings, navigational intentions, or emergencies without using radio communication. So magamit ni siya sa kanang iga-allow di siya kani sa with sa vessels to communicate kanang mga importante nga mensahe, kanang mga message such as mga warnings, navigational intentions, or kanang mga emergencies nang without using radio communication. The signals are standardized under Annex 5 to ensure consistency and avoid misunderstanding between different nationalities at sea. So kaning Annex 5 mao siya magamit ni siya no sa kanang sa muta kanang di mo magkasinabot panitan lahi mo nationalities or lahi mo language. So mao na siya mo-avoid kaning Annex 5 mao na siya to ensure consistency, no? So malikaya na to avoid malikaya na to kanang di mo magkasinabot between kanang lahi-lahi o kanang nationalities or language, different language sa dagat or sa at sea. So overall, this method provides a reliable and universally recognized way to communication, especially in situation where language so especially daw sa situation kanang lahi lagi mo language. So barriers or equipment limitations exist. So muna sir akong explanation sa the International Code of Signals ICS of Annex 5.